All right, friends, our job was to decide if this person is in the same hallway or not. Well, you know what? A lot of people notice that in this picture, when his arms are out, he can touch the wall here and touch the wall here. But in this picture, his arms are out. Is he touching the wall? No, there is a lot of space around him. That helped a lot of us decide that this person is not in the same hallway. I also asked you to think about the words we've been learning for width. Remember, we learned wide and thick or thin. I wonder if those help us. Sometimes we also use the word narrow for thin. We would say this is a narrow hallway because he can touch both sides. But this hallway is thick or wide. He cannot reach. So our words today are narrow and wide. Let's look at some more pictures to help us practice, okay? Can you decide which of these windows is wide? Which would you have a harder time reaching both sides of? Can you point to which with your finger? Which window is wide? You're right. This window here is wide, right? We would say we could stretch our fingers aside. I'm also noticing that these are both windows and I can compare them. This window is wider than this window. Ooh, let's think about these markers. Which marker is thinner? Or which marker is thin that would make a thinner or more narrow line? Take your finger and point to it. Is it the purple marker or the red marker? Look really closely here at the tip. Wow. Let's see, which one is thinner? Let's see. Are you pointing to the red marker? When I look really closely, that tip is super thin. It would make a very thin line. We could say the red marker is thinner than the purple marker. So we can compare the width of things as well.